Welcome to Heavenly Trebolo Master Bedroom. It's one of my favorite bedrooms because not only do you have this beautiful king-size bed in a large room, but you have the seating area that faces the wineries. It's such a beautiful room to sit and enjoy. Over there you have Dianza Winery, over there you have the new one coming, and over there you have Cougar Winery, all within walking distance of the house. Now, let's take a look at the bedroom. You'll see you have a fan and a light right over there. Remember that these can be used with the remote. So you can push the light high, but you see how it's not working? The reason it's not working is because you must power it using these switches. These two power the lights here, and these two power the fan. So now, when we click that on, now you'll see you can turn the light on and off. And you can turn the fan on and off. So remember, it's this switch next to the bed that powers all of that. And that must be powered in order to work the fan. The TV in the room is a smart TV and works like a regular TV, as well as has all of your HDMI inputs. If you bring your device, you can go ahead and plug it in, as well as you can stream from your phone. You can share screen and stuff like that. So that's a smart TV as well. If you have any questions, you can call us at 1-866-322-5487 or email us at info@calivrbo.com.